Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with this share video for my Country Craft Creation Design Team project. And this is an 8x8 mini album and with a 2-inch spine, hardcover, and I'm going to call this let's call it my variable page mini album. I've never seen anyone do this before, and I literally had an epiphany, and I'm like, I want to do that. So before I start sharing with you, I wanted to go through what I have left, and this is the Echo Park A Dog's Tale paper. Super cute, fun images, and it has like a French or European vibe to it. So I used quite a few of the stickers. This is the 12x12 sticker sheet. I have some cut aparts left, and these are my scraps, minus anything that was like less than an inch. So I got quite a few scraps. And then I only used I think one piece of the Authentique solids, or it's called they're like a pattern solid tone on tone, and this is the Wood Connection, the Sandy Beach one, and Crocodile Smile one. So I still have those two left. I use the blue, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 papers left. So I think that if you decide that you want to do this album and you have some papers you can substitute, you can probably get away with one paper pack, because I had 2 to begin with. And then these solids too. So I'll link the share video below so that you guys can see what I started with and give you a good idea. Okay, so now for the mini album. It has some charms on it. I used the Tim Holtz, I don't know what their loopy thing, and then the seam binding from Country Craft Creations that matched perfectly with the collection. And then I had some beads and mustache and some charms. I have this puppy paw charm and some tassels, and I just held them all with some safety pins and some I can never remember the name of these little pins with the bubbles on the end. This is just one of the 4x6 cut aparts on the front. It doesn't come up or anything. And then one of the stickers, and then on the back I used the dog bone paper to kind of make it, it's a neutral. And then another one of the stickers here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Alright, so the reason why I call it the variable page mini is because it starts as a 4x4 page and ends up as a 7 3/4 by 7 3/4 page. So there are variations of 5 different designs in here. Of course, you can't have the same design exactly because of the size change. So I used one of the 4x4s on the front, cut down to 3 3/4, and then the tags are held on. I have the puppy paw ribbon, which is also available at the store, and I just use my tiny attacher to put that on. If you don't have a tiny attacher, a regular staple would be just fine. And then the backs of the pages I left blank, so you have plenty of room to put pictures. The second page is approximately 4.5 by 4.5, and it folds down. It folds out and then down. And I thought it would be a really cute idea to put a picture here, but actually cut it in half and put the top here and the bottom here. And that's my idea behind that. And then the tag has a 4x4 on it. Okay, and then this small pocket page. Has little tags in it. And these both flip up. In the large tag. These flip down and we'll open it. And then this page flips out. And then this small page, this is a sticker, flips out. And then there's a pocket on the back. There's another sticker. There's your tag or your large mat. And then the back is plain again. Oh, I forgot to tell you what size this page is. This page was 4.5, like I said. This page is 5 by 5. Okay, oh, and this page is 5.5 by 5.5, about. This page has a magnet closure, and it flips open and open, and has a large pocket on the inside. And 2 of the cut-aparts in there, and then a sticker. And a large tag. Measures 6.5 by 6.5, and this page design will look familiar to you. And the tag. This page design should also look familiar to you. It is 7 by 7, and there's a triple pocket here. And I just tucked some stickers and some cut-aparts in here. Sticker on the outside, and these both flip up. And the tag. Okay, and then this is the very last page. It measures 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. It also opens up, and then there's a double page on the inside with pockets on the back page. There's a 4 by 6 cut apart, a 3 by 4 cut apart turned into a little folder, and a matted 3 by 4 cut apart. There's another 3 by 4 with a little folder. I think this is like my favorite image. And large mat. I had to, the only reason I matted it and added these is because I had to include this image because I love that image. I think that this, you know, maybe not that one. That one withstanding, I think this could be a nice masculine book, or even like a little boy book with his dog. I think that those are a couple options that could be explored into the purpose of this book. Of course, it's good for girls too, but I think it's where a lot of things are very gender. You know, this looks more like a girl, this looks more like a boy. I think this could be either one. So I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the tutorial. I'll be posting hopefully one a day until it's complete, probably 3 or 4 sections. So go to Countrycraft Creations and purchase your A Dog's Tale collection from Echo Park and follow along with me. I used like I said, I used more than one collection pack because it has one of each, but I bet you could get away with one just substituting some cardstock maybe for your mats and stuff like that, and then about 25 sheets of white cardstock I used on this. So I'd appreciate it if you'd comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, And I hope you all have a great night. See you later. Bye-bye.